If you are facing the east gate or the sign that leads you to the east gate, make a right and it will lead you to the Yamuna River.
You would want to go this way onto the left. Just keep walking straight and there's going to be a lot of monkeys, so be careful for your bottles or food and snacks. Then it'll be at the end of this.
There will be a gate leading to the Yamuna River, and do not worry, you can go ahead and enter. Here is the Yamuna River. It may seem intimidating at first to see all these authorities in uniforms as they stare at you, but they really mean no harm. And that is the boat that we want to get into. My friend and I were just standing around looking lost, and some guy already went up to us and asked if we wanted to do the boat ride. Now, all you have to do is enjoy this beautiful view of Taj Mahal.